Hey guys, what's up? Today we're playing Survive the Airplane Crash, and what the fuck? Except this is a submachine. Dad, don't worry, son. The plane won't crash on an island. Will the plane fall, Daddy? This is like giving the whole game away. Where do we go? I'm gonna start the game here. The door will open when the next plane arrives. Well, I got a sandwich. Mm, that's a good sandwich. When's the plane coming? I'm bored. I'm gonna eat. No, but seriously, it's still 6 o'clock. Awesome. Seriously, but it's still 6 o'clock though. I ain't in first class. I'm gonna sit right here. You know, I could be in first class if I have to. For friends. Oh shit! Oh, I should have taken my seat. Okay, we're off. Good movie. Just calm down. What are we doing? Okay. This seems perfect. This is actually very good. Mm. What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit! Ah! The blade's going down! Ah! I jumped out the plane! Water! I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, we're back anyway. I got my sandwich back, and I'm gonna eat it. Okay. As you guys saw, I died terribly. What? No, nigga. No, nigga. Don't leave me. Nigga. Who the fuck are we following? Okay, we're back on the plane. Daddy, will the plane fall? Don't worry. The plane won't crash into an island. That's weirdly specific. Let's go take a seat. I'm bored. I wonder what's on the island. Arena soda machine. I don't even like soda. I want something to eat. No, I'll come to you guys when it's time. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Okay, but the plane is here in 3, 2, 1, and we going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship, soaring through the skies. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. So much to explore, little Einsteins. Okay, let's go, guys. Leg room. So, what's good? Have a nice trip. Okay, everyone stay in their seats. We're just gonna have a nice trip to the Bahamas, everybody. Apparently, I know all you guys. You're like my best friends now. What the fuck? The plane's falling! You guys never should have sat in the front. Stay calm, guys. Stay calm. Stay calm. Okay, stay calm. Stay calm. Oh my god! Stop! Are we down? Oh my god, we hit something. Where are we? Oh my god, we're on the island. Yeah, oh my god, so much bouncing. I lost my legs. Is this serious? I lost my legs. I'm just walking around with no legs. I'm just crossing my arms. This is so terrible. Look, it's a little place. Does that mean my dick got cut off? That's terrible. Hit the button to start a free. Okay, that's to teleport back. Is this weed? Nigga, I love weed. What's this? Eh, eh. I just jumped over it. What the fuck? Oh. Teleport back to airport. Yeah. Oh, stand up, nigga. Stand your bitch ass up. What the fuck is happening? I can't move. Oh. Have I lost my legs forever? This is what happens when you get on a plane. Okay. 10, 9, 8. I'm still going on. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. You can't do this, guys. I have to get on my plane. The plane is about to leave. Have a nice flight. Yeah, I'll just ride you. You seem like a good friend. Come on, let's go. Let's go, everybody. I have no legs. I'm gonna sit in coach because I know that's way more safer. Plus, I don't have feet, so I don't really need leg room. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, we going on a trip. In my favorite rocket ship. Actually, it's a airplane. Oh my god! We're going down. You're yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Woo 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 woo. Ha woo 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 woo. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo. I died. Yo, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you like this, like, subscribe more, and go.